Okay, so here's what I spent on a week's vacation to Dubai. People have this idea that Dubai is only for rich or wealthy people, or that it's outrageously expensive, and that is just not true. I mean, you do have to have a little budget on you, but it's doable. So this is what I spent. My husband and I flew Emirates Economy, direct from JFK. Our flight was 12 hours. It was $900, and overall, Emirates Economy was pretty spacious. It was decent. I would definitely fly them again. I feel like it was more spacious than most. We also got a driver for the week because we didn't want to be worried about how to get to places, so it was $150 a person. We stayed at a Marriott property in Al Jadaf, and for 6 nights it was $1,000 a room. All of our rooms were 1 bedroom. They had 2 full bathrooms, full kitchen, living room, very spacious, lots of closet space, really comfortable. We loved the hotel. And as far as activities, we did the absolute most. We tried to do everything. We went to brunch. We got a section at the club. We got a yacht for the day. We went to the Miracle Gardens. We did dinner in the sky. It was great. I highly recommend the experience. We visited the Burj Khalifa. We spent a day in Abu Dhabi. We did dinner in the desert. We went to the Global Village, and all of that was like included in, you know, what we planned to do for the trip. And then of course we had to do some shopping because we wanted to see all the sites. So we went to the souks, perfume souk, spent the bag in there. And then of course we had to try Cheesecake Factory in the mall because everybody said to. Then we